switching to my phone right here. So hear me out. There are a different way to do a hyperlapse. Either you can use your gimbal to do a walking hyperlapse with the active track from DJI, or you can do an image. You need to have everything in manual focus, your white balance. During the time, the cloud and the weather changing, there's not much shifting and you don't have to do much in the post-production. So basically you take a picture of the tower, one, and then you step 1 foot up. And then you take another one, step 1 foot up. You do it for 24 pictures is equal to 1 second. If you want to do 10 seconds of the hyperlapse, you have to take 240 pictures. So yeah, we get started.
I just realized that I didn't tell you guys how to take a picture. You have to lock that specific point and focus to the tower. Everything is moving except the tower. The tower is standing still. At one point, you have to take a picture of that tower at the exact same point. Try to do it. That's why I tell you guys to turn on the grid to be more accuracy when taking a photo. If you don't take a picture at one specific point and lock that the whole time, the tower will be moving constantly, like it's shaking. So that just took me like over an hour to do. It was very tough. My hands are sore, everything is sore. Now I will bring you guys back to Lightroom.
Six feet apart, please.
Hi. How's it going, dude?
Good.
Good. Okay, so you see right here, I import the picture. Everything is under here. I have around 260 picture, so that should do like around 10 seconds of videos. I have a little bit of correction, white balance, the exposure, color, everything right here. Essentially, when you take a picture of and doing the hyperlapse, you have a flexibility correction of each individual photos, the color grading, so you don't have to do it in Final Cut Pro or Premiere. And also you can change the horizon of each picture to match, essentially more stable. You do it right here. You see this little icon right here, you click it and you can change the angle to everywhere you want. I already did some of them. Color correction, one picture. And right here you see you can go all the way over here. You click shift, click, you see the little thing right here, sync, and then click on the thing that you think that it is important for you. You click synchronize. But I already did in my case, so everything is in place. Everything is already color correction. I will speed up the process. Okay, so after export, you pull up the Final Cut Pro, you create a new event right here, which is this project. Go to new project, just do like hyperlapse. Yep, hyperlapse, and then 110. I'll put this over here. 24 frames per second resolution as it is. Click OK. Then go to the folder of wherever you import your picture. You go to image. Click once and then scroll all the way down, shift click and drag them all over here. It might slow down your computer a bit, but that's okay, because Final Cut Pro isn't designed for image. Go here, click change duration, click 1, enter. So basically 1 second per image, and then control click new compound clips, hyperlapse clips, click over here. It will create a hyperlapse clip right here. You click Command R to speed it up. It was 260 picture. Get your hyperlapse between 0 to 10. If you put more than that, you don't have enough picture to fulfill the frame, so it will drop the frames and it will look terrible. But I want it to be more dramatic, so I want to drag it more to around let's see, 8-second clip. That is where I want it to be. So this is what it looks like. It's not look that good because I was doing it very quick, but I think you guys would do it better than me. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day and peace out.